10th of September. We've got a ripstone of a windstorm on our way. Huge gusts, massive, strongest I've seen in years. I can't see much, but anyway, I can hear it. Holy man, yeah. Holy man. Hear the fucking roar. Fucking hurricane. Then the power's even gone. Fucking borderline. Mr. Canterbury's got no power. No wonder why. Could be 1975 all over again. 1975 there was a windstorm in Canterbury and 70k winds at the airport. Huge. Flattened entire plantations. You can hear the roars. So intense. So intense. What's it mean? Yeah, what the fuck it means. Oh shit, this is coming bad. Here we go. Holy man, that was a goodie. That was fuck knows what that was. That was definitely over 100k, that one. And the fast one's going off. We've got wind-driven rain coming across from the west. I think it's rain anyway. Here's another one. Get the sirens going. Will be bad. Stop it, man. This is getting really dangerous.